that Grammy though. Said I see people over here now say I need a Grammy. Cause all the things I do to on here, everybody wanna holler at me. But still I'm over here to keep it down, I keep myself in check. But still I'm over here that I'm doing a song and say what's next. Talking about a Grammy. I wanna get a Grammy though. Talk about Grammy. Do you got a Grammy though? Said when I seen the peoples over there, they doing their song today. Some people get the good to old stops and when they sing their way. Some people sing a bit and sometimes they will go get the stuff. People gon' just try to hold them down, but still that's not enough. Cause I want a Grammy. Talking about my Grammy flow. Talking about a Grammy. Can I get a Grammy though? Say if the people like what I will do for you today, then me I will to go get me a good Grammy here today. I started off as a little one when I was on YouTube. Just keep on grinding, doing my music and trying to see you too. I want to show the love to the people, showing love to me. So I did the song for everyone that they hang with me. But still I say today that right now I keep myself in check. Other people say you need a Grammy because they liking it. Talk about a Grammy. Can I get a good Grammy though? Talk about a Grammy. Can I get a Grammy though? Let's go, let's go. I like the people going to the Grammy cause they got the vibe. The vibe over here, they doing they think some people want to ride. They want to ride, they want to go back and showing off their clothes. The people's over there, they trying to see what they gonna flow. That if they gonna dance or if they gonna sing on their thing. If they gonna bring in their friends or their family. Because they want to get their Grammy just to be on top. Saying if you got the Grammy over there, oh yes, you kinda hot. Talk about a Grammy. I'm singing for a Grammy though. Talk about a Grammy. Talking about that Grammy though. Let's go. Some people say the G is for who? Because I feel so good. And now I'm over here that right now they saying been misunderstood. You understand the things that I say when I say it with my words. The people's over here that right now that you know could have been the third. I hit them with the art every day when I run up to the mic. The mic over here today that right now that where I feel alright. The A over here because I'm over here just to always give my best. The everybody's over here now, oh yes, we to the test. I'm talking about the Grammy. Talking about that Grammy flow. Let's go. Send a Grammy. Can I get that Grammy though? So now I see the M in the Grammy talking about it's me. The other people's over here now, I know you wanna see. You wanna see the people's over there, wanna see they follow me. But still I'm over here today, they say it's 1, 2, 3. But still I say today that right now I want to have some fun. To have some fun today to do, you know I like everyone. So when we doing the song today, as I spell it out, the M for all the peoples over here, cause the mighty's all about. Talk about the Grammy. Talking about a Grammy flow. Why not me today? The why I'm over here to right now trying to give me a Grammy today. Today I'm doing the song over here just off the top of domes. Some people's over here to right now I'm sad that you lost your home. Some people going through this someday, that's why I'm singing a song. To give you all the positive vibes so you can get along. So when I sing the things to you and I hope you feel alright. And then I say, the will you give me a Grammy every night? Talking about a Grammy. Talking about that Grammy though. Talking about the Grammy. Talking about that Grammy though. Talking about the Grammy.